Scientific and technological breakthroughs are leading us into a new era with algorithm at its center. An intelligent society driven by artificial intelligence technology has arrived. Masayoshi Son, president of SoftBank Group, has predicted that machine intelligence will reach 1,000 in 30 years' time, while the upper limit of human intelligence is 200. Silicon-based intelligent control technology company Limited applied the SDL model to automatic driving control, decision-making, and perception, by which it has proved that in specific scenarios, machine will definitely outsmart human. SDL model is directly integrated into the closed-cycle control of self-driving cars as a result of solving the control problem with machine learning for the first time in the world. This enables self-driving cars to run as smoothly as when it is driven by people with biological consciousness. The machine consciousness algorithm under the SDL model has adopted hundreds of mathematical formulas to make the machine fully understand the complicated road conditions and traffic rules. It can even make the machine aware of humans' state of mind, which enables decision-making system of self-driving cars to beat the judgment ability of human, making self-driving safer and more stable than human driving. The much desired L4 level driverless car, which is extremely hard to make, is no longer an impossible proposition. The machine consciousness model is by no means just a concept. It is built on strong mathematical theories. The world is shocked by its nearly 100% accurate decision-making results during application, even exceeding international giants. Algorithm changes the world. The fierce competition of AI in the international arena will certainly be the competition of algorithm. Traditional image recognition is like a blind man feeling an elephant, drawing conclusions on the basis of partial understanding. Even recognition by deep learning could only happen when humans inform the machine of all the image features of an obstacle first. The automatic migration characteristics of SDL model is similar to that of human eyes, which can directly capture the image of obstacles. Based on this, the application of 3D recognition beyond human eyes was born. In this stretch of road, in the face of a series of complex conditions of the real road, such as pedestrian, motorcycles, cars, and traffic lights, silicon-based intelligent control technology companies, self-driving cars have already been able to drive safely and freely like human beings do. We will make unremitting efforts to forge ahead and become the trailblazer in the field of autonomous driving.